For the last 100 years, the formula has been exactly the same. 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, we pack 30 humans into a room, broadcast information at them at the exact same speed, and hope some of it sticks. But by the year 2035, the standard school day won't be 8 hours. It won't even be 4. An entire day of high school level education, math, science, history, and literature is going to be compressed into exactly 15 minutes. It sounds impossible. It sounds like a dystopian sci-fi movie, but the technology to do this doesn't just exist in a lab, it is already being integrated into learning models today. The 15-minute school day isn't just a wild theory, it is a mathematical certainty. And to understand how we get there, we first have to admit a very uncomfortable truth about what actually happens during those 8 hours. Let's break down the math. Out of an 8-hour school day, how much time is actually spent learning? First, cut out the transitions. Walking between classes, waiting for the bell, getting books out. That's roughly 20% of the day gone. Next, cut out behavioral management. The teacher asking everyone to quiet down. Cut out lunch. Cut out roll call. Cut out the time spent waiting for the slowest student in the room to understand a concept. Or the time wasted when the fastest student is bored out of their mind. Educational researchers have tracked this. In a traditional classroom, a student receives maybe 10 to 15 minutes of highly focused, personalized cognitive instruction per day. The rest is just waiting. But what happens when an artificial intelligence eliminates the waiting? Enter the hyper-personalized AI tutor. It doesn't teach a class of 30, it teaches a class of 1. When a student logs in, the AI isn't just reading a textbook to them. It is tracking their eye movements, their typing speed, and their hesitation. If the student's eyes linger on a quadratic equation for 1.5 seconds longer than average, the AI instantly realizes they don't understand the variable. In milliseconds, the AI pivots. It rewrites the next lesson on the fly. It doesn't test the student on Friday to see if they learned it. It tests them constantly, invisibly, in real time. If the student masters a concept in 30 seconds, the AI moves on. No waiting for the rest of the class. No busy work to run down the clock. This is called optimized cognitive loading. Human brains are not designed to learn complex concepts for 8 hours straight. We learn best in intense, short, highly targeted bursts, followed by rest. The AI maps the exact frontier of what you know, pushes you slightly beyond it for maximum neuroplasticity, and then stops. So, let's watch the impossible actually happen. It's 8 a.m. on a Tuesday in the near future, minute 1 to 5. The AI assesses the student's memory retention from yesterday using spaced repetition. They blast through advanced calculus. Because the AI knows the student loves basketball, the physics equations are dynamically generated to model a 3-point shot. It clicks instantly. Minute 5 to 10, biology and history. There is no lecture. The student interacts with a simulation, making choices that prove they understand cellular structure and the Industrial Revolution. The AI tracks their problem-solving logic. Mastery achieved. Minute 15, the system shuts off. The student has received the exact cognitive equivalent of a full day of traditional schooling without a single wasted second. The learning was flawless. The execution is complete. The 15-minute school day works perfectly. It does exactly what it promised, but it leaves us with one massive, terrifying, and beautiful question. If it only takes 15 minutes for an AI to make us brilliant, what on earth are we supposed to do with the rest of our lives?